Hi, Vadim's here. If you run into this common issue, I'll walk you through exactly how to solve it, fast and frustration-free. One of the Gemini's most practical features is its integration with Google Workspace. You can analyze docs, sheets, slides, and even generate new Gmail for communication. This removes copy and paste steps and makes workflow seamless. For example, I have this resume on my Google Drive. I can copy the link to the resume and ask Gemini to analyze the resume and provide summary. Because this is my first time connecting to Google Workspace, I will be asked to connect. I'm gonna choose Connect, and you will see the summary of the document. And here are some cool ideas how you can use this integration. For example, I can generate content and export it as Google Docs. Here's the prompt. Draft a one-page project proposal for a new marketing campaign. Include goals, timeline, and deliverables. Once the content is generated, I can click the Share and Export button and export it to Google Docs. Gemini created a new Google Doc and saved it into my Drive. You can also generate new content and export it directly to Gmail for sending. Let's start with the prompt. Write an email introducing our new project management software. Highlight collaboration and tracking benefits, and end with the call to action. Once content is generated, you can click Share and Export button and select Draft in Gmail. And the new draft email is ready for you in seconds. All you need to do is edit it, make sure this is what you want, type the recipient's email, and click Send. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to online training for everyone. Have a great day.